Are you looking for the health benefits of turmeric juice? If so, you're certainly in the right place. The health benefits of turmeric are quite astounding, and even though it's a simple herb to add to your diet, people seem to be overlooking the power it has within itself. Turmeric is called the king of spices, and it's widely used in Asian cooking. It's incredibly versatile and has been used for hundreds of years as a medicinal herb with many health benefits. Watch this video to learn more about the health benefits of turmeric. 1. Turmeric juice is anti-inflammatory. Turmeric juice is a potent anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. It is often used to treat arthritis and other conditions associated with inflammation. It has been shown to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing inflammation and joint pain. This juice is also a powerful antioxidant and can help prevent oxidative damage to the body. Inflammation is a condition that results from the overproduction of specific molecules within the body. These molecules can do a lot of damage to our cells and tissues, which leads to many different diseases. Antioxidants work by quenching or neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that are created when our body breaks down old cell debris, and they have the potential to do a lot of damage to our cells and tissues. The juice is filled with vitamin C, which helps prevent free radical formation. Hence, you should include turmeric juice in your daily diet. 2. Turmeric juice boosts the immune system. The immune system helps our body to fight off infections and other diseases. A healthy immune system is the best way to prevent diseases and infections. Turmeric juice is packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps it to function properly. Vitamin C increases the white blood cell count and allows them to fight off infections. It also plays a role in producing antibodies, which are responsible for the defense against infections. Turmeric juice also contains zinc, which is an essential component of the immune system. Zinc is a component of white blood cells and helps them function. Thus, it is best to include turmeric juice in your daily diet if you want your immune system to remain intact. 3. Turmeric juice improves the brain health. The brain is one of our most important organs. It is responsible for many functions, including memory, thinking, learning, and more. However, it can get damaged for various reasons, such as chronic stress and lack of sleep. As a result, you may experience memory loss, poor concentration, and mental fatigue. However, if you regularly consume turmeric juice, then it will enhance your brain health considerably. The liquid is a rich source of effective antioxidants that help prevent free radical brain damage. It has a large number of antioxidant compounds. These compounds include curcumin, which is a major component of turmeric. It is also rich in vitamin C and E, which are highly beneficial for brain health. 4. Turmeric juice is good for your digestive system. The digestive system consists of various organs, like the stomach and intestine. It is responsible for supplying us with the food we need. The digestive system is also responsible for removing the waste from our bodies. In addition, it plays a vital role in preventing diseases by enhancing our immunity to harmful bacteria and viruses. Turmeric juice helps in improving the digestive system. It is known to be beneficial for improving digestive health by increasing the nutrient absorption of our bodies. It also increases bowel movements and thereby improves our digestion. In addition, it promotes the digestive tract muscles. Turmeric can stimulate both the secretion and action of digestive juices. 5. Turmeric juice helps to detoxify the body. The liver is the main organ that detoxifies the body and cleanses it of toxins. It plays a crucial role in maintaining good health by breaking down harmful substances and converting them into less toxic substances. One of the best ways to enhance the liver is by including turmeric juice in your diet. This juice contains curcuminoids known to be very good for the liver. These compounds increase the liver's capacity to help the body break down harmful substances and create good health. 6. Turmeric juice helps regulate blood sugar. One of the best ways to keep your body healthy is by regulating your blood sugar level. Turmeric juice contains curcumin, which helps to regulate the body's insulin production and keep the body from producing too much insulin, which tends to cause diabetes. The juice also helps to lower the body's insulin resistance levels. Curcuminoids, which are present in turmeric, help to modulate the activity of a group of enzymes called phospholipases. These enzymes are responsible for the breakdown of fats in the body. They are also responsible for the analysis of fat molecules called lipids. Several studies have shown that curcuminoids can inhibit the activity of these enzymes, thereby helping to lower blood sugar levels. 7. Turmeric helps to improve cardiovascular health. Turmeric is a very effective remedy for high cholesterol and heart problems. It contains compounds that can lower cholesterol levels in the blood and the body tissues. A study found that curcumin can help to reduce cholesterol levels in the body. It works by inhibiting the enzyme which is responsible for making cholesterol. These enzymes are found in the liver and other tissues of the body. It implies that turmeric can help lower cholesterol levels in the blood and the liver tissue by inhibiting the activity of these enzymes. 8. Turmeric juice helps to prevent cancer. Cancer is one of the most common diseases affecting young and older adults. This disease causes the body's cells to grow out of control and multiply. The spreading of cancer can lead to serious health problems and even death. Turmeric and its juice have been used for years as a natural remedy for cancer by preventing tumorigenesis and inhibiting tumor cell invasion. Turmeric juice helps to prevent cancer by inhibiting the growth of tumor cells. It has been shown that curcumin, a component of turmeric, can inhibit tumor growth. Curcumin has also been shown to inhibit the proliferation of human lung cancer in vitro, indicating that this compound may be effective in treating patients with lung cancer. To prevent cancer, you should consider adding turmeric juice to your diet. 9. Turmeric juice helps with kidney problems. The kidney is a vital organ in your body. It helps to filter wastes from the blood, produces urine, and stores minerals. You may risk developing kidney problems if your kidneys are not working correctly. In this case, you should add turmeric juice to your diet because it has been shown to help with kidney problems. It can also help prevent kidney disease and improve the function of damaged kidneys. The juice improves the function of damaged kidneys by reducing inflammation in the body. This way, the kidneys will work more efficiently. As you can see, turmeric juice has many health benefits that can improve your overall health. It can help boost your immune system, protect your heart, and improve your digestion. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. So if you want to improve your health, consider adding turmeric juice to your diet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 amazing health benefits of turmeric and ginger together. Thanks for watching and bye for now.